why do you offer such crazy bonuses? And this question needs a bit of a preface for someone that is not aware of the bonuses and the things that you do. When John is promoting a product as an affiliate, he is recommending that people buy that product through his affiliate link. Naturally, he stands to earn a commission if the customer buys the product through his link. So, as an incentive, since John knows that a lot of other marketers are trying to get people to buy through their links as well, John offers a special bonus. The thing is, with John's bonus, what we've come to learn with all of his bonuses is that they're freaking crazy. Like, you look at them and you're like, wait, is that really happening? So is he really giving, like, okay, so all I have to do is buy this $47 product, and he's going to give me these $10,000 worth of stuff, products, services, like people literally, sometimes it's crazy.
People are actually emailing me. I've got quite a few tickets in. Is that really all I have to do? Just buy this product? Some people can't believe the bonus offer, and that's sort of the position you have to put people in. I have to wow people and make them want my bonus. I actually have to put people in a position where they don't even know what your product is.
Right.
They're not even thinking about your product. Right. And put together a bonus. And if you can do that with any product you promote, get people excited about it. Obviously, they're going to go through your link.
Essentially, you're creating a bonus that is so valuable that it makes the product you're promoting pale in comparison.
Yeah.
Right? So they're just like, oh, okay, yeah, I got to buy this. Just tell me what it is I have to buy in order to get that.
Yeah.
Okay, and it almost becomes insignificant about whether or not. And here's the important thing about that is that you can dominate pretty much any launch if your own bonus is valuable enough, right? Because at this point, the other page's conversions doesn't matter,
no.
Right? So if you're promoting a product that for some reason the page, it might be a great product. Obviously, you wouldn't promote something that isn't a good product. But if it's not converting, if people just aren't buying it, it doesn't matter. It's insignificant because they're buying for you, for your bonus, for what you're offering. Yeah. And I guess why add things that are, I mean, couldn't you do that? Couldn't you paint that picture with just a one bonus? Because we look at your bonuses and it's not just one crazy bonus. It's like a list of things. Like, I look at your page and it scrolls from top to bottom. There's an assortment of things. There's this kind of digital products, services that we're giving you this, we're giving you support, we're giving you this tool. In a recent one, you even said, hey, you did a poll before the launch. You said, hey, to your subscribers, and you put it on Facebook. You said, tell me what you would like for me to give away. What would be great?
I actually did that on Facebook and on my blog. 2 reasons. I wanted to build up a buzz about your product. Now, first of all, I'm promoting Omar's product. I'm promoting Dave Nicholson's product. Anyone who knows me knows these 2 guys I'm the closest to online. So when they're going to have a launch, I'm going to do everything in my power to generate as many sales for Omar and Dave. It goes without saying. But what I did was I put a post on my blog. I mailed all of my subscribers. I said, I'm going to be promoting this product. It's a fantastic product. Tell me what you want. 2 reasons. I create a buzz. And the second reason is I get some ideas for bonuses.
Right.
It's as simple as that.
Right.
Somebody might come up leave a comment and I might think, wow, that's an excellent idea.
Right.
And if this is people asking for this, I know it's going to appeal. Right. So I actually got about 2 or 3 of my bonus ideas from my blog and from Facebook.
Right. And now you're giving them what they want. So now you just created a sale because of that. Plus, other people that are looking at that, they're seeing what's going on, then they see your thing, and they're like, wow, John really listens. So you're coming off looking like a hero on every part. Wow, that's just amazing. And how effective do you think is the fact that the bonus is literally crazy? I mean, crazy in the sense that it just do you feel that sometimes that does push people away, that somebody is like, oh, no, this just can't be true.
Well, I've had tickets for my support right. And I can understand why people think, why would John want to be my launch manager? Why would he want to promote my affiliate page, my product, for $47? Right. And I'm going to be honest with you guys here. The real honesty is, a very low percentage actually follow it through.
Right.
It's sad.
Right.
But most people won't take what it takes, create a product, follow your training to create an effective affiliate page, and follow it right through to the end. And claim every bonus I offer. Some will claim some will claim different parts. But unfortunately, that's the sad reality. But I know from experience. In the past I would maybe limit a bonus like this because I thought, what if everyone claims it? Right. But I now know that if I sell 400 copies of your product, I might get 30, 40 who follow it right the way through.
Right.
And that's the way it is with most people. Most people buy a product, have every intention of following it through, following the training. And the reality is most don't. We know that. As product creators, we know that most people, when it comes to doing the work, won't do that. They want instant push button riches.
Right, but isn't that also the case with just about any product, even, right? Just anything, any kind of a product. It's in. I'm not going to quote a percentage because we all know that 87.63% of every statistic is made up. So I'm not going to give you a statistic, but the reality is that it is in the upper 90 percentile. People that purchase things, they do not take action with the things that they purchase, and that includes bonuses.
You just have to look at the weight loss and keep fit industry. I don't know how many keep fit gadgets I've bought over the years,
Right,
you know.
right.
I'm like everyone else, you know. You buy maybe a treadmill. Yeah, I'm going to get fit. I'm going to lose weight, and then 2 weeks later you're hanging your coat on it. You know, we've done that, and it's the same with the information world. You know, it's exactly the same. People have the intention, you know, that they're really buzzing at the time, and then life gets in the way, or they get sidetracked, and they don't follow through.
Right.
And you know, I know through experience, and that's why I can do this. But the people who do follow this through and do follow my bonuses through will reap the rewards, because I will honour every single person who I offer this bonus to. So if all 400 come to me and want me to launch their product, it will happen.
Right.
But I know that probably won't happen.